We're gonna show you how to first set up the machine. So when I open your box, you have your iclock. So make sure your iclock has a network connection to a hub, and the same hub has a connection to your PC for managing your iclock. And you have your CD ready. So let's install your CD. So we're gonna do English. And you can see there's a document and software. You can go to document and print out the user manual as well as the software manual. So this is for the hardware and this is for the software. So on the software, we will install the software. So we install the first item, and we'll just run it. Just click run, OK. Keep clicking run. And now I'm going to choose English. And install it. And do a full installation. So while we're installing the item, we're going to put the power in, and then we're going to turn on the clock. So first thing we like to do is set up the admin. So we go to the menu here, and there's a user and a network setup. So we go to the network setup, and there's a LAN. So click OK. So make sure the IP is not the one used by any of the computer system, but it's in the same segment. So you can make changes to it, and if everything is okay, we click escape, and we're gonna set up the first user myself. So I'm gonna go to user and click OK, and new user and manage. So now there's no user in the managed. This is brand new, and we're gonna go escape, and we're gonna go to new user, and we're gonna punch in the employee number here. So my employee number is 123. Okay, 123, and we're gonna go down here and type a fingerprint. So you have a choice of using fingerprint and password or just the fingerprint. So I'm gonna go to fingerprint, highlight it, and click OK. So you will ask you to place your finger here. You're gonna have to do it 1, 2, and 3 times. So I'm gonna place my finger here, and it's asking me to do it 2nd time. Ask me to do it 3rd time. Okay, so it's successful. Continue. Just press escape. Okay, so now I have one user, and I can also say I want another backup finger in case my finger didn't work. So I can go click OK again, and now it asks me to put again. So instead of this is my first finger, am I going to use the backup finger? So same thing, we do it 3 times. Okay, so now I'm done. Press escape, and I can go down for a password, or I don't need a password and go down again. I have to choose whether as a user or an admin. So by clicking left and right. So I'll be an admin, then I go down here, OK, so I'm done. So click OK again. So I'm done, and I'm gonna escape and save. And now if I go to here, I click OK, I can see the admin user, which is myself. If you see a lock, that will be an admin, and I have 2 fingerprints. So I'm going to go back out. Now I'm going back to the computer. The installation is done. Great. So I'm going to click OK, finish, and I'm going to escape. And now I see the software icon here. So I'm going to double click on this. And now I can see there's 2 predefined connections. One is serial port and one is Ethernet. So I want to make sure that this IP address is correct, and if it's not, click on it and click on device here, and you can change the IP address up here. Okay, and then save it. Okay, so if I'm done, I'm gonna connect to the device, and I'm gonna look down here. You can see the connection here. It will show whether or not it's successful. When it's success, you can see from here it will say connected. So now I can start going here and download the users, and I can browse the device to see the admin users here, and I can click download. So once I'm done downloading, I can escape, and I can manage. I can click employee managed, and I can see the admin user. And then now I can put down my name and all my bowel information, and admin user. Okay, when I'm done, I can save it, and I can escape from it, and then I can make sure I'm gonna upload it, but make sure it's connected here. Right now it's disconnected, so I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna click connect. So once it's connected, I can upload user information, and I'm gonna select all. I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna select the user. I'm gonna upload. Okay. So I'm done. I can actually go back here, go to an admin, and now it requires an admin password. So I can go back in here in admin only, and I look under user, and you can see that my name is updated. And you can enroll regular user the same way by first creating a user, type in the employee number, get the fingerprint, and choose user here. Once you're done, go back to the software, connect to the device, and download the user. After that, you can go to employee and update the information, and then you upload it back to the machine. When you're done, you can click exit. And when you're done here, you can hold down the power button to turn it on. Thank you.